Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. We're looking at the SoundCore by Anker Liberty 3 Pro earbuds. They come with high-res audio. They're truly wireless. And we'll take a look inside the box. It has a lot going on here. So you have your multiple sets of ear gels, more than what Apple will give you for their AirPods Pro. And then you have these ear wingtips, so they fit easier inside of your ear. And here they actually are. This is the Liberty 3 Pro earbuds from SoundCore. Very nice design. All the description for battery life and all the other details will be below the video. So there's that one. And then you have this one here. They're identical, just for left and right. And then this is where you would peel this off to change out these, and then you can add on there. And then here is the case, the charging case right here, and they slide up, which is very different from most of the other cases. They usually flip open, but this just slides, so that's pretty simple. It has USB-C charging right here, and there's a button right there. And now we'll show some more details on the back. But again, this will be on the description of the video. You have active noise canceling technology, high-res audio, 6 microphones, and 32 hours, up to 8 hours of playtime per, 32 hours with the charging case. And you can download apps for the iPhone and Android to customize the audio profiles that you're using. This is SoundCore by Anker Liberty 3 Pro earbuds. They're super nice looking. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.